Hi there, and thanks for clicking into my GPS antenna repair and factory GPS hack video. Here's your GPS. Hey, that's the wires that go to a GPS, in case you didn't know. It's a factory GPS. That's one you can get from Amazon with one type of screw on end. That's the other type of end. Both of them can be chopped off and put on to your Android stereo. I had the issue where the center wire inside that piece was broken off. I had to solder it, then go back to the end, which was a screw-on end, had the center pin that was disconnected, and I had to push that out with just a needle nose and take and recrimp and the center pin, and it is just a pin, and push it back into the connector. See, that's the factory connector. That's Ford Escape, and if you'll notice, I'm going to be showing you the app. It's called Gamma Car Launcher. That shows a nice speedometer there for you. And if you notice a little bit in there, we got a switch. That sometimes Android stereos don't start quick enough, so that's a two-way switch where I put power from the regular 12 volt to the switched ACC 12 volt. Here's your pinout. Hope you found some useful information on GPS antennas here. I noticed there wasn't much on the internet, and well, I'm not the richest guy, so maybe if you like and subscribe, one day I'll have enough money to actually buy a new GPS as opposed to taking it apart and making a video of what you can do with it. Because you can use it on a factory GPS antenna, just chop it and solder it on. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.